My name is Milena, and I am too a member of the Girls in STEM Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon rocket at home. Follow me. Unlike the other rockets we built today, this balloon rocket will need a path to fly along. We're going to make a guidance system using a straw to help make sure it stays on course from its trip to Earth to Mars. First, we need 2 chairs representing Earth and Mars. We're also going to need some really long string or twine. Let's tie one end of our string to the Earth chair. That'll be the starting point for our rocket once we're ready to launch. Before you tie the other end of your string to the Mars chair, we need to build our guidance system. Take the free end of your string and pull it through the straw, like this. And keep on going until you see the string coming out of the other end of the straw. Once you've fed your string to the straw, we're ready to tie our other end of our string to the Mars chair, creating the end of our path. Once we're finished building our balloon rockets, we will tape it to the straw guidance system and we will launch it from Earth to Mars. All we're missing now are our balloon rockets. Are you ready to make one? All you need for your balloon rocket is, well, a balloon. However, I do want to decorate mine before we start launching it on the path. So I have a clip here, so once the balloon is blown up, I can clip it on so the air doesn't get out while I'm drawing. There are 2 ways you can decorate your balloon. One, you can draw on a piece of paper, you can doodle on it, and you can cut it out and just tape it right onto the balloon. Or you can use Sharpies or markers and just draw directly on it. Now that my balloon rocket is ready, it's time to attach it to the guidance system. So you only need a little piece of tape, not too much. And you're gonna have the top of the balloon attached up to the straw and tape it like this. Now, when I release the clip, the air used to blow up the balloon will exit out and will give the balloon the thrust it needs to move forward. Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Three, 2, 1, blast off! 3, 2, 1, blast off! What other experiments do you think we can do using balloon rockets? What type of data do you think we could collect? How about we use different shapes of balloons? We can record each shape on a data sheet, blow each one up, and launch it, and record how long it takes for our rocket to reach Terra Mars with a stopwatch. Let's launch our first balloon again and record the time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Now I'm going to launch my second balloon. 3, 2, 1. Let's discuss the results that we got. For the first one, this shape was a sphere, and the time it got me to get from Earth to Mars was 2.43 seconds. The second test, or the green bean, the time was only 0.79 seconds. So the green bean was way faster than the sphere. I think the green bean was faster than the sphere balloon because the green bean balloon was more aerodynamic. It had a thinner body than the sphere, so it was able to go through the air faster. What other experiments do you think we can do using balloon rockets? Let us know at Columbia Space on social media. Hope you had fun with all our rocket activities today. See you next year!